niya, naging chief PNP siya, tumatakbo siya sa batas. Humarap siya. Ba't niya ginugulo yung mundo eh? Managot kasi yung mga gawain, sagutin mo yung mga... Sabihin mo, kung wala ka talagang kasalanan, harapin mo.
Wala kasi silang nakitang kaso kay Bato, pati kay President Duterte, kaya gigil na gigil talaga si Boyeng Remulla. Siya ang Justice Secretary noon, na ngayon ay Ombudsman, hindi man lang kinasuhan si President Duterte at si Bato dito sa Korte ng Pilipinas. Ngayon gigil na gigil talaga. Kung dati believe na believe sila kay President Duterte, ang sabi naman ng John B. Remulla, ang DILG Secretary, hindi tayo member ng ICC.
Anong klaseng tao yan? Di ba? Ganyan ba dapat maging senador natin yung tumatakbo sa batas? Is that the hero we want to portray? Di ba? Managot siya, harapin niya lang ang mga paratang at sagutin niya na maayos kung wala talaga siya kasalanan.
Number one, we are not a member of the ICC and we are not party to any of their investigations. Number two, there will be other investigations to follow and other subpoenas to follow regarding this.
Mahuhuli yan si Bato kung gagawin ni Remulla, John B. Remulla at ni General Nartates yung trabaho nila. Hindi sila nag-form ng tracking teams.
Bakit sa tingin nyo hindi ginawa?
Kasi ayaw.
Wala naman kami warrant of arrest. Wala. So, bakit namin nahanapin? Ba't namin na-arrestuhin? Kung gusto niya siya mag-citizen's arrest, di ba? Kung tingin niya sabi niya kasi may warrant eh. Di siya mag-arrest. Siya magdala dito, di ba?
May warrant ba?
Wala pa ako nakikita. Wala pang dumadating sa DILG, sa DOJ, sa PCTC, sa DFA. Wala pang dumadating.
Supreme Court, during its on-bank session on Wednesday, has required the parties to comment and to reply within a non-extendable expedited period of 72 hours to Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa's motions seeking to stop his arrest, detention, and transfer in connection with the arrest warrant issued by the International Criminal Court. Respondent government officials have 72 hours from publication of the SC resolution to file its comment, while De La Rosa may file his reply within 72 hours from receipt of the comment. However, the SC held that the court may still issue any interim or urgent measure as prayed for by Senator De La Rosa should it become necessary. De La Rosa is facing a crimes against humanity charge before the ICC over alleged extrajudicial killings in connection with the previous administration's war on drugs.